All I keep hearing is, excuse me, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. What's going on, guys? It's your girl V Nazy, and I'm just hopping on here really quickly because your girl, it is like 10:29 at night. Yeah, I need to go to the store to grab a couple of things because the video that I want to film tomorrow, I don't have any of those items. One thing about me, I do not like being out and about during the day. I don't like being out and about during the day. Oh my god, I've been looking for my scrunchie all day, and look where it is. Look where the hell it's at. I legit been looking for this shit all day. This is my favorite scrunchie from the hair store. It's like a little furry one. I like these because when I put my hair in a bun, it's just chic and cute and solid and simple. I like everything simple. I legit tore this house up trying to find this scrunchie, and it was on my camera the whole time. And you know what's funny? I said, let me put this scrunchie, and now that I'm thinking about it, let me put this scrunchie somewhere that I won't forget, that I know I'ma see it. I've been filming and vlogging all day, and I did not see this scrunchie on my camera. I'm so annoyed at myself right now. It's not even funny. But anyway, I got on here to say I'm getting ready to run to Walmart real quick before they close. They close at 11 and it's 10:31, so I'm about to put on my jacket and run there. I need to get 3 things of, I'll tell y'all when I get there. See ya. Oh my gosh, y'all, it is cold as fuck out here. It is so cold. Oh my god. See, this is why I like coming out at night. There's nobody out here. Literally nobody. Like, there's a car there, and a car there. Like, I can't deal with traffic. I have road rage very bad, so I can't be out here when there's a lot of traffic. So I like to make my moves at night. Now, hopefully I can get to Walmart before they close, because I got literally 20 minutes, and they be trying to close the door a whole 15 minutes early. I'm vlogging off of my cell phone, so hopefully the footage is okay, because I didn't bring my camera. So we'll see how it is by the time I start uploading and editing. But I'll see you guys in a sec. Look at the line to go to cookout. Cookout ain't that damn good for that line to be that long. And I was thinking about stopping to get in a shake. No, sis, I'm about to shake my ass in here into Walmart. Get in and get out. Are they open? Oh yeah, they open. My windows are so dirty. I gotta wash this car tomorrow. Okay, I just got Walmart. They're open. So let me get in here and get out. I know I can't record when I'm walking on my cell phone, walking with my cell phone, because it be all jittery. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm getting, and then I'm gonna get out of here. Y'all, tell me why I get all the way in freaking Walmart, right? All I keep hearing is, excuse me, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Why I get all the way in there and I ain't got no damn face mask, and they 2 people literally chasing me down, talking about, you need a face mask. Don't y'all supposed to have some? I always wear my face mask. I completely forgot. I got a lot of these in the car though, so I had to go back to my car and get my face mask. I need to get stuff to make cheesecake. I'm making 3 different cheesecakes, so I need to get that. And I have the slightest idea what aisle it would be on. I guess the bacon. And it's gonna be a no-bake cheesecake, so it's right up here. So I need 3 of these. I guess I could get this kind, but I don't know. We just gonna stick to what I know, which is this. So I got my cheesecake, and I'm not gonna tell y'all just yet what kind of cheesecake I'm making, because I'm actually doing a different version of my cheesecake. I got 2 holiday ones that I always do every year, and then I'm just making a regular cheesecake that everybody be eating. So yeah, y'all have to wait till the Vlogmas vlog. So I got this. What else did I come in here to get? Oh, some water. Oh, I should have got a bucket. So I gotta go back and get a buggy so that I can get some water. I kind of want to get something from over here, but I don't like sugar cookies. I always fuck up some muffins, excuse my French, but I don't know how to bake muffins. I might try, do they got gingerbread houses over here? This is just the regular stuff. Let me go get this buggy so I can get some water and get out of here. They better be mad at me because I'm taking this buggy. Okay, what's going on, guys? I'm back from the store. Sorry, my camera died when I was in Walmart. Hopefully y'all can see me and it's not dark. Okay, I think y'all can see me. Sorry, my phone died when I was in Walmart, so I didn't get to keep recording, but I need to get in and get out anyway. So I didn't even get everything either. I'm missing 3 things. So the main thing was water. So I got a case of water. Can y'all see me? I don't know if y'all can see me. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I got a case of water and I got my 3 boxes of cheesecake. So I'm gonna be making one of these tomorrow, so stay tuned to that. This is gonna be within the same vlog. So I went to the store. Instead of going to the store during the day, I was gonna vlog tomorrow during the day, but I went ahead and went tonight so that I won't have to stop and be in traffic. So I'm glad I got that out the way. I still have to stop anyway and get cookies because I need cookies to go into the one that I'm making, not tomorrow but next time. But I want to go ahead and get it tomorrow because I'm going somewhere tomorrow and I'm going somewhere the day after tomorrow, and then when I come back I'm in the house for the next 4 days. Yeah, your girl not leaving the house for the next 4 days. Well, when I get back from where I'm going. So I got this, I got my water, and I ran out of creamer, so I got some French vanilla. I got this brand. I never had this brand before, so you guys tell me if you guys like this brand. I'm not gonna try it just yet. I'm gonna finish up the one I have. Right now I'm finishing up this. So, well, I'm not really finishing it up. Y'all can see how much is still left in there, but I'm using half of this. So by the time I use pretty much what's left in here, if it's correct, by the time I use half of it, it's gonna be gone, and I'll be able to make 2 more cups of coffee. So half of this and 2 more cups of coffee, and this will be gone. So, and then I'm gonna try this one. So I'm putting up my vlog video tomorrow, so I'm not gonna be able to taste it or drink it until 3 days from now. But if I post this vlog and you guys have had this, let me know how this is. So I want y'all to tell me what the tea is before I try it. And then I got me some apple juice. I love apple juice, so I got me some apple juice. And that's all that I got while I was in Walmart. The only thing I didn't get to get was I didn't get to get some Oreos, and there's a specific type of Oreo, so just regular Oreos, and then I think there's like a ginger snap or golden snap, something festive for the holidays. I wanted to get one, not peppermint though. I don't like no peppermint Oreos. Or what's the other one? Mint chocolate chip. I don't like all that. I love gum though. I love chewing spearmint, but I don't like it in cookies. But yeah, that's all I got as far as going to Walmart. So I'm gonna end this night video right here, and I'll pick back up in a few. So when y'all see me, it'll be daytime. And I'm trying to think, am I missing anything? No. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Peace.
Many hours later.
It looks like it's cold outside. I don't even want to go out there. I don't want to go outside. Y'all, I am so annoyed. It was so many people in freaking Ross. Like, if it's a lot of people in there, I can only imagine how many people at Walmart or Target. And it's about to be 5 o'clock, so a lot of people are getting off, especially where I'm at. We're basically in a high traffic area anyway. So these people about to lose their damn mind, and I'm gonna lose my mind if I have to sit in traffic. So I'm going back to the house. And it started raining, so my hair, I just wasted so much time twisting and untwisting my hair, only for, I'm about to pull it up in the ponytail, only for it to start raining. So the humidity is about to get to it. So I'm so annoyed. I know y'all don't want to hear me complain. It's Christmas, it's Vlogmas, so let me not complain. So I usually do that, and I'll do like a little number like this. So I usually do that. Your girl edges is growing back. I'm not gonna tell y'all my secret just yet though, but yeah, my edges is growing back. I had like a big old bald spot right here. I know y'all can still kind of see it. It was a gap right there and a gap right here. It still kind of look like a bald spot, but I can, that's, yeah, we not gonna talk about me right now. But yeah, let me get back to the house because it's raining too. Let me show y'all. Yeah, I don't do rain. We heading to the house. So I'll see y'all when I get to the house, and I'll show y'all, well, I already showed y'all what I got, so I'll just see y'all when I get to the house. Peace. Yeah, so your girl is heading back to the crib. Oh, no, no, no. Look at that line. Oh, no, sis. I'm gonna take the back way. Please don't let the back way be packed. See, I can't do traffic. I can't do traffic. Now I'm gonna really have to pay attention, because the way I'm about to be driving back to the house, yeah, I'm about to hit this little back road and be my butt back at the crib. Okay, y'all, I'm about to listen to some music, and I'm not trying to get copyrighted, so. I'm really annoyed. Like, are you guys excited about doing Christmas shopping? Like, when y'all be out and about, or do y'all enjoy being out when it's a lot of people out like this? Because I get so worked up and just aggravated, and like, that's why I like coming out at night. So like, I might change my mind when I get in the crib and everything calms down. Like after 8 p.m. I don't mind coming out. So today is Friday, and honestly, somebody hit me up to go somewhere. So don't be surprised if I go out, I'm gonna do another get ready with me. So I just did a previous get ready with me. I was going somewhere, so check out that video. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll put a link up above, so definitely check out that video. So if I go out tonight, I'm gonna record me getting ready again, so expect another get ready with me. Hopefully you guys can see me. I have my ring light right here, and then I have the light above. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I already showed you guys what I got from Ross, but while I'm back at the house, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got me some more coffee. Your girl ran out of coffee, so I need to go pick up some. I don't think I ever had the Dunkin' Donuts kind before. I always get either, what do I get? I always get Starbucks or either donut. I think it's called donut. I always get this other brand called Donut, or I get Starbucks, but this is gonna be my first time trying the Dunkin' Donuts. And I got 16 K-cups in here, and it was $5.49. So that's why I go to either Ross, Marshall's, or TJ Maxx for my coffee, because it's a better deal than actually getting it from the grocery store. Also, while we're talking about coffee, I got me a coffee cup. So I've been collecting a lot of coffee cups. Even though y'all keep seeing me drink out the same one, it's just ironic because once I drink out that cup, I put it back there. So I'm gonna wash this one, and this one's gonna go in there. I like to keep a cup right there so that when I wake up in the morning, I just hit the button, put my K-cup in, and keep it moving. So this says keep life simple. It's so cute. It's black, and this was $3.99. So all my coffee cups are usually either $3.99 or $4.99. I don't think I ever paid like over $6 for a coffee cup. And this one is microwavable and dishwasher safe. I have to double triple check and make sure they're microwavable safe and dishwasher safe, because I got one before and I put it in the microwave to warm up my coffee and your girl lit the microwave on fire. So yeah, it started popping. It basically blew up a microwave. So we're not trying to do that anymore. So whenever I buy me a coffee cup, I have to make sure it's safe. So got that. Some round foil pans. I was going to the Dollar Tree to get these, but this is a better deal because I got 8 of them for the price of $3.99, and these come with the lid. The ones from the Dollar Tree don't come with the lid, so which is even better, because once I make my cheesecake and put it in the refrigerator, then I can still place something on top of here. If I place another one of these, I can stack these basically. So this is why I really want to go out the house today. Because not want to go out the house, but this is another reason I had to go out the house today, because I needed these. I prefer to put my cheesecake in these so I could just throw it away. So I got that. Oh, the last thing I got are these cookie cutters. So I got these cookie cutters because I wanted to get some Christmas cookies and bake some Christmas cookies, but then it popped in my mind that, girl, you got cookies in the fridge, just cook the ones that you have, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I have these Toll House chocolate chip cookies. So basically what I'm gonna do is ball these up or roll them flat, and then just take the cookie cutters to cut them in the shape of the ornaments. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got today. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got today. Last night I got the my creamer. I already showed you guys this in the footage before. This is still within the same few hours. I just look like a completely different person. Anyway, yeah, I got the my creamer last night. I got my water, and I got the cheesecake. I got 3 boxes of this. So my next video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my no bake classic cheesecake, but I put a spin on mine, so that's why I want to show y'all, because I don't know if anybody else made it this way before. This like my little secret recipe, so I'm gonna show you guys one of my recipes. I got 3 boxes because I got this recipe that I'm gonna show you guys, and I got 2 holiday recipes that I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I don't have anything else to say or show you. So thank you so much for tuning into my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my last video too, so I'm gonna plug that either here or here. Check out my last video, and that's pretty much it, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Peace.